Hello again, everyone. We're back at the home in Brentwood Bay, BC. This is Fibre Carpet Care, and Harry is working on the landing area right now, and I just wanted to show you how well the dirt is coming up here. Look at this. Amazing. What a difference. Wow. It's coming up beautifully. Harry, you're doing such a great job. However, do you do it? Do tell us.
Look. Look at this. Look at this.
It's coming out fantastic.
Look at that. There you go.
Harry won't answer. He's busy working.
Look at that.
It's turning out great. Now, as I said prior in the video before, that particular area right there is only going to come up so good because it is about the highest traffic area, walking area in the house. So the dirt on the surface and underneath is coming out, but unfortunately the traffic has pushed the carpet down somewhat, which is going to result in some dark marks. But it is a huge improvement. And you can clearly see the improvement in the carpet right here. So we'll do another video very shortly, and you can see another area of the home being completed. Stay tuned. Give us a call at 778-433-9348. Thanks a lot. See you soon.